So my people, like I talk in the previous video, the previous episode rather. So the order of operation is first. The first one is using exponents. That's the order of operation. Exponent is the first one, followed by multiplication. So followed by division, followed by flood quotient, then followed by modulus, followed by addition, followed by subtraction. Subtraction I am the last one for the organogram. So this is the order of the operator in operation. So as we said earlier, don't forget that expressions are just values combined with operators, and they always evaluate down to a single value. Expression are just value combined with operators. That is, if you say expression, what is an expression? Expression is using 2. 5 is a value, 6 is a value, 4 is a value, 2 is a value, 8 is a value, number 9 is a value. So if I now say plus, plus is what? An operator. If I say minus, minus is what? An operator. If I say floor quotient is what? An operator. If I say if I say use exponent, exponent is an operator. If I use division, division is an operator. If I use floor quotient is an operator. And if I also use modulus, modulus is what? It's also an operator. So an expression is basically combining an operator with value. That's it.